Welcome to the 6-minute webinar where I will share with you 3 keys that inspire your teams to bring their best self to work, improve team collaboration, and bottom line results. What would it feel like if your team was all rowing in the same direction and maximizing team effectiveness, resulting in optimized performance? That would be awesome, right? We would all love to get the most out of employees and create an organization better than we can imagine. It can be so challenging and requires so much time to manage employees. Everyone does the best they can with the resources they have to work with. The tone of leadership determines the success of an organization's culture. A majority of organizations experience workplace drama, leading to personality conflicts and lack of trust. These problems are often at the core of ineffective teams. Why does this sound familiar? Because every organization experiences these issues at some point. You are not alone. 34 years ago, I was working for an organization that had me completely stressed out. One day, a friend of mine invited me to see a speaker, and in 30 minutes, he changed my life. All of a sudden, I was able to understand people that were different from me. The next day, I took his workshop, left my place of employment, and went out on my own to share with others what I had learned. You see, I blamed other people for years for not meeting the results that I wanted to see. My stress level was through the roof, and it was all because I didn't have the right tools and techniques to communicate effectively. That was my aha moment. I instantly realized I was going to dedicate my life to making a difference and teaching businesses, teams, and organizations like yours how to end conflict, stress, and overwhelm in the workplace. Have you ever experienced stress and conflict in the workplace? I sure have. Would you like me to share a secret that I unexpectedly stumbled upon that will allow you to improve teamwork, reduce stress, and increase bottom line results? My promise to you is that by the end of this 6-minute webinar, you will know 3 keys to allow your teams and core business to soar. Does that sound good? I'm Ellen Robinson, creator and founder of Team Performance, Inc. And for 34 years, I've consulted with Fortune 500 companies, nonprofits, governmental agencies, and public utilities on how to end communication issues and settle unresolved conflict. Clients consistently report that they've increased teamwork, communication effectiveness, and bottom line results. Because I've experienced all these issues firsthand as an employee, I knew in my heart I needed to make a difference. The moment I heard that speaker 34 years ago, I went into immediate action. I saw that others were struggling like I did. So I left my job and started researching personality types, how to identify them, how to describe them, and how to communicate effectively among them. I was amazed at how easy it was to communicate with another person when you understood their personality type. I was so excited. I sat down and I defined the process and created a blueprint to teach companies how to maximize team effectiveness and core business results. There are 3 keys that allow your teams to soar and increase employee engagement. The first one is turn conflict into positive energy. The second one is use individual strengths to improve communication. The third one is empower teams to increase transparency that fuels trust. A business I worked with was having team and leadership issues that were caused by a very, very controlling owner. I worked directly with the entire company and implemented the 3 keys in a systematic way. They learned how to resolve conflict, communicate effectively, and build trusted relationships. The results were astounding. The leadership team reported that they were able to be more effective in all their communications, and their teamwork soared. They are now able to operate at much higher effectiveness in all 3 key areas and experience powerful bottom line results. Are you ready to improve performance and profits? Then you're ready to have a call with me. On that call, you will receive a valuable free team assessment. When you register for my team assessment, we will identify the 3 things that limit your team's growth, review the tools that can remove the blocks, and create a blueprint for success. Participants have told me that this call has changed their life and is incredibly valuable. Learn how to rapidly improve your company culture and team performance. Book your time now. Call or text Ellen at 512-750-4929 or click on the calendar button. Act now. Together, we can create a workplace even better than you can imagine.